Chris Anagi, CEO and founder of Social Engineer LLC here with your 60-second social engineering tip. You know, we're getting a lot of questions about careers in this field, and something came up that was really interesting that I wanted to address. Being a social engineer, does that mean you're always manipulating people or that you're always lying? No, not at all. True that for our clients, we have to make pretext up. We have to try to audit them and test them, make sure that they know what a bad guy would do. But being a professional social engineer doesn't mean I walk around all day manipulating people and making them do things they don't want, like I'm some kind of puppeteer. That's not the way it works. So if you're thinking about getting as a career into this, here's some things you can practice. How to influence people positively. How to have good, strong, valuable communications. And how to be able to listen actively. Try those things. See how it works. Keep checking out social-engineer.com, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.